Hello, dear students. I am again before you with the topic narration, volume 4. Now, I am going to tell you about the rule number 3rd. This is, but if the reported speech is related to universal truth, habitual fact, scientific fact, proverbs, etc., there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. There will be no change in the reported speech in the case of universal truth, habitual fact, scientific fact, proverbs, etc. This thing shows that this is the exception of the rule number 2nd. रूल नंबर 2 जो था कि यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस में है तो नंबर 1 का तो ये था, यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट प्रेजेंट टेंस में और फ्यूचर टेंस में है तो रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का जो टेंस है वह परिवर्तित नहीं होगा। सेकंड वाला जो रूल था वो ये था, इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस देयर विल बी चेंज इन द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच, मीन्स the reported speech will change into past tense. And I told you about the tables where we change direct speech into indirect speech. But there is exception, अपवाद है, उसका अपवाद है ये वाला जो है कि यदि भले ही whether the reporting verb is in past tense, yet the verb of reported speech will not change. The given words, the said words, the actual words will be written as it is. In case of universal truth, habitual fact, scientific fact, proverb, etc. Okay? So I am giving some example in this regard. Here are some examples before you. The teacher said to the student. The teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. टीचर ने विद्यार्थियों से कहा कि सूर्य पूर्व में उगता है। The sun rises in the east. ईस्ट सूर्य पूर्व में उगता है। This sentence is related to universal truth. You can see that this first one is related to universal truth. The second one is related to habitual fact. The second one is habitual fact. Habitual fact. The third one is related to scientific fact. Fourth one is related to proverb. I once again come to the point. First, the teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. So the indirect speech will be, the teacher will remain the same and said to will convert into told, and we apply that as connecting word, and the remaining sentence, the reported speech, the sun rises in the east, rises is the verb here, and rises will not change into rose. This will not change into past tense. It will remain unchanged. ये अपरिवर्तित रहेगी. The sun rises in the east will be written as it is. जैसा है वैसा वैसा लिख दिया जाएगा. This is so simple. Indirect speech and indirect speech. You have to do nothing. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Only those two words said to will change into told, and the reported speech will be connected with that as connecting word. Okay? My father next comes. My father said to me. My father said to me. Here we can say, my father said to me, dogs bark at strangers. Dogs, कुत्ते जो हैं वो अजनबियों पर भौंकते हैं. ये हैबिचुअल फैक्ट. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड हैबिचुअल फैक्ट. डॉग्स की जो आदत है वो क्या है, भौंकने की. कुत्ते भौंकते रहते हैं. कुत्ते अजनबियों पर है पढ़ते तो पर भौंकते हैं. This sentence is related to habitual fact. So this will be converted into indirect speech. We shall underline first. Said to will be underlined, and here connecting word will be used. According to that, the same thing, RV, CW, PVT, RV, CW, PVT. But I think that there will, in the PVT, I think there is no change, because there are not changeable words. Dogs not change, bark will not change. As you know, this sentence is related to habitual fact. Extender will also not change. These words will not be changed. Then the indirect speech will be said to will convert into told. Here you can see said to will change into told, and that will be applied as the connecting word to connect both the sentence, both reporting speech and reported speech will be connected with the connecting word CW. That is called CW, and we use that as connecting word. My father told me that dogs bark at strangers. Bark at strangers. This bark is the verb here, but it will remain unchanged. As we can see in the first example, rises will remain unchanged. Rises. Bark will not change, it will remain unchanged. Bark. Barked नहीं होगा इसका. Why so? Because this sentence is related to habitual fact. This one is related to habitual fact. Okay. I have written this nature. Now we come to the point third one. The science teacher said to the boys. The science teacher said to the boys, magnet attracts iron. The science teacher said to the boys, magnet attracts, ATTRACTS, attracts iron. This sentence is related to scientific fact. Okay. The science teacher said to, this will be changed. This word is related to RV, reporting verb. What is the reporting verb here? Said to. And then comes CW, and here said to the boys. Both reporting speech and reported speech, both the sentences, both the parts will be connected as the connecting word. As in the case that will be used as connecting word. Here, a magnet attracts iron. Magnet, चुंबक लोहे को आकर्षित करता है. It will remain unchanged. Attracts will remain attracts. So there will be no change. The science teacher told the boy. The science teacher, SCIENC. The science teacher told the boys. ये told हो गया. The science teacher told the boys that magnet attracts iron. This. Now, the science teacher said to the boys, magnet attracts iron. It has been converted into indirect speech using some necessary changes. RV has been changed. CW, that has been applied. Pronoun, verb and time adverbials. There are no changes. Okay. Now comes to the fourth point. Our principal said to us. our principal said to us, principal said to us, honesty is the best policy. You can see honesty is the best policy. It is well popular proverb. It will be changed into indirect speech. Said to, here, and honesty is the best policy. It is related to proverb. So there will be no change. Whether the reporting verb is in past tense. बात यह है खास तौर से कि भले ही हमारी जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो पास्ट टेंस में है, फिर भी रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच की जो वर्ब है इज विल रिमेन अनचेंज, ये अपरिवर्तित रहेगी, इसका इज ही रहेगा, वॉज नहीं होगा. ओके. आवर प्रिंसिपल सेड टू अस, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. दिस sentence, this direct speech will change into indirect speech like this way. Our principal told us, said to will change into told us, told, and both the parts will be connected with that as connecting word, and honesty is the best policy will be written as it is, जो तो इसको लिख दिया जाएगा. There will be no change in the verb of the reported speech. There will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. इसका जो tense है उसमें कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होगा. तो I have given these examples to clarify this rule number 3rd. Okay. Now you can do some exercise. You can do some exercise through these exercise. There are 5 questions. I have given these to solve by yourself, and you can give your comments in the comment box through Jupyter app, and you can download the exercise related to these volumes of the narration. Okay, bye. See ya. सभी स्टूडेंट्स इस पर ध्यान दें कि हमारी जो सारी जो स्टडी मटेरियल है वो आपको जुपिटर ऐप पर मिलेगा, और आप उस पर अपडेट रहें, नोटिफिकेशन बराबर चलता रहेगा, तो आप उसको देखते रहें कि आपके पास क्या आने वाला है. और हम जैसे मैंने ये प्रिपेयर किए हैं, लाइकली इसी प्रकार से अन्य टीचर जो हैं, अदर टीचर्स, आपके जो सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स हैं, दे आर आल्सो प्रिपेयरिंग द सब्जेक्ट मैटर. Okay, so they will upload time to time. So you have to be updated on the notification on your Jupyter School app. Okay, and this will be very beneficial in the days when all the schools are closed, and you can get opportunity to study at your home. Okay, without any difficulty, and these will prove you very interesting, very useful, and you can enjoy this study through Jupyter School app. Okay, be updated on the Jupyter School app and enjoy your study. Stay home, stay safe, and be happy. Okay.